Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, concept of frequency distribution. Very important topic related to statistics. Frequency distribution is a statistical technique used to organize data into different categories based on their values or range. Here are some main points and examples related to frequency distribution in statistics. First one, frequency distribution is used to show the frequency of each value or range of values in a dataset. Frequency distribution can be shown in a table, graph, or chart form. Frequency distribution is useful in summarizing large amounts of data and identifying patterns and trends in the data. The most common types of frequency distribution include frequency distribution of discrete data and frequency distribution of continuous data. In frequency distribution of discrete data, the values are typically whole number or integers, for example 1, 2, 3, etc. Examples include the number of students in a class who scored different grades on a test. Continuous data have a frequent distribution where the numbers can be any value within a range. Samples include a population's average weight, height, or blood pressure. You can say that 0.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc. The data is first segmented into classes or intervals, and the frequency of each interval is then counted to produce a frequency distribution table. For example, suppose you have a dataset of 100 test scores that range from 50 to 100. Okay, you can create a frequency distribution table by dividing the scores into classes or 10 as shown below. You can say that score range, classes or groups, 15 to 59 or 15 students. This is the frequency. 60 to 69, 30 students. 70 to 79, 20 students. 80 to 89, 25 students. 90 to 100, 10 students. This table shows the frequency of scores in each group. 15 numbers fall between 50 and 59. 30 numbers 60 and 69, and so on. This table provides a brief summary of the data and lists the most frequent scores. A histogram or bar chart can also be used to visually depict the chance distribution.